Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Shiba Inu coin not showing on Trust Wallet. It's really fast and easy, and you just need to add a Shiba Inu coin manually. So first what you need to do here, you need to press on, as you can see here, two dashes with the circles on it on the top right corner, like here, and then on search you need to put some random letters or numbers, and you should see then no assets found, add custom token. So add custom token here, select network, so it's Ethereum, and then you need to go on etherscan.io, look for Shiba Inu coin, and then as you can see here, first we need to copy contract ID here, Trust Wallet, put it here, name Shiba Inu, symbol I believe it's SHIB, and decimals you need to go on again etherscan.io, and it's 18 decimals, right? 18, press save, and now as you can see here, your Shiba Inu basically will appear on Trust Wallet, and if you bought some coins you will see right here, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.